Hey y'all, it's your girl D-Lo telling you to go visit rusticminerals.com for your chance to get a free Lumerian Quartz Necklace when you spend $25 or more on the purchase. All you have to do at checkout is select the coupon code Free Quartz. It'll say Free Quartz. And to get an additional 20% off that purchase, select my coupon code DLO720 at checkout and you will get an additional 20% off. Now let's get into the video. Hey y'all, it's your girl D-Lo and I'm super excited for this video today. As you know, I'm going to be reviewing several pieces from Rustic Minerals, who I'm in partnership with. We're going to be talking about the Lumerian Clear Quartz Crystal that you see on my neck here. And without further ado, let's get into it. So this Lumerian Quartz Crystal point is 1.5 inches, the stone itself. It's on a copper necklace. The necklace is about 22 inches in length. It lays very nicely in the center of the chest. The luster is what we like to call vitreous, which means it's a glassy, non-metallic luster. This piece was found in Brazil, and it has a really great origin story that I will get into later in the video. So I want to give you guys just some facts and a little information on quartz. So quartz is actually the most abundant mineral on the Earth's surface. So there's plenty of quartz to go around. Quartz is also known as the universal crystal or the stone of power. It has very powerful healing energy. A really great thing about quartz is that you can actually use it to cleanse and amplify your other crystals. Quartz is a conductor of electricity, so a lot of times you'll find quartz in your watches, in sound systems, and radios. When the clear quartz is held, it actually amplifies your biomagnetic field, which is also known as your aura. It blocks negativity. It eliminates any kind of what I like to call like mental fog. You know, you'll get a lot more mental clarity when using and working with quartz. I like to use it during meditation. So I want to share a really, I think, interesting story about this particular piece. Legend has it that there was an ancient civilization known as the Lemurian people, hence Lumerian crystal. And this was a civilization of people that were known for their spiritual wisdom and their connection to the universe. As their time was coming to an end, the Lemurians actually programmed their wisdom into these crystals. So that being said, this ancient civilization has already charged these crystals. Now listen, I don't know if y'all are into the woo-woo, but
I'm with all the woo-woo.
Okay? Something that I find really special about a lot of the pieces at Rustic Minerals is that they come on a copper necklace. Copper also has healing properties and also amplifies energy, very similar to what quartz does. So you've got a charge on a charge, which is super exciting. So any copper necklace that you get from Rustic Minerals is going to be charging whatever stone is on that necklace. So that's all I have for the Lumerian crystals. Please stay tuned for more videos on more products from Rustic Minerals. Give them a follow on Instagram. Also, make sure to follow me at DolorisDidIt for more videos, more information. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you share the video with your friends. So that being said, Ashe.